Hello everyone, welcome to Harsha Lectures. In this lecture, I am going to explain you about flatten binary tree to linked list. So coming to question, here they given the root of a binary tree, flatten the tree into linked list. The linked list should use the same tree node class where the right child pointer points to the next node in the list and the left child pointer is always null. The linked list should be in the same order as a pre-order traversal of the binary tree. Coming to example 1, they given here 1, 2, 5, 3, 4, 6. We need to convert this tree into, in this approach, means all left nodes could be remains null and all right nodes could be shorted. In this way, we need to, this is the input they given, 1, 2, 5, 3, 4 and 5 left node is null. So here they given null and 6. We need to bring that output like 1 null, 2 null, 3 null, 4 null, 5 null, 6. Okay. So to get this output, what is the logic we need to approach? I will explain clearly. So here, first we need to mention if root is equal to null, then we need to return null. Okay. And we need to mention method name flatten, and here I am mentioning root dot left, and flatten, in this I am mentioning root dot right. Okay. And here I will create tree node right equal to root dot right. Okay. So here I am mentioning if statement. In this if, I will check if root dot left is not equal to null. Okay. Then what I need to do? I need to just transfer left nodes to right node. So root dot right equal to root dot left. I will mention after transfer the element from left node to right node, I need to remain left node as null. So root dot left equal to null. And then I will mention while loop. In this while loop, if root dot right is not equal to null, then what I need to do? Here no need of brackets. If root dot right is not equal to null, then what I need to do? Root equal to root dot right, and here root dot right equal to, I will mention right. Okay. This is the logic. Now I will check whether this will execute or not. Yeah, it is accepted. Now I will submit this. Yeah, success. So simple. The logic beyond this is, if root is equal to null, then we need to return null. After that, we need to mention in this method of root dot left, root dot right, and we need to create tree node, and in that tree node, I am mentioning the name right. In that name, I am allocating root dot right. Okay. First, we are comparing root dot left is equal to null, then this won't execute. If root dot left is not equal to null, if some values are there, then what I need to do? Root dot right equal to, I am just transferring these elements into right. So I am mentioning this root dot right equal to root dot left. After that, after transfer this left node to right node, then what I need to do? I need to keep null as a left node. So root dot left equal to null. Then I am comparing while root dot right is not equal to null, then this I am mentioning root equal to root dot right, and that in this root dot right again I am mentioning right. In this right, what is there? Root dot right. Okay. By implementing this logic, what will happen? The output will comes 1 null, then 2 null, and then 3 null, 4 null, 5 null, 6. So by implementing this logic, we can get the output. So if you have any queries, you can mention your doubts in commentary section, and please do like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.